Alright guys, we're back. Heading out to meet Richie to get on a trail, and decided to pick up some film. Wanted to get back into film photography. Last time I took it out, I realized there's no film in this bad boy. Although it did say that the shutter count had like a certain amount of film, and I thought there was. Ended up being nothing inside, so today we're prepared. Got the drone, got some lunch in here. We're ready to go. All right, see you guys out there. We made it. We're out here on the top of I don't know where, but we're out here. Oh, check out that view. Finally made it back home. What's up, dudes? Hey, Cash. Keikoa, come here. Hey. What have you guys done all day? Whoa. Did you guys miss me? Thanks. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.